Welcome back to another Lightburn tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics of creating and editing shapes, a foundational skill for efficient laser design. To insert a shape, you have two simple options. You can use the Tools drop-down menu at the top of the screen, or just click the shape you want from the toolbar on the left and drag it onto your workspace. Once you've placed a shape, you'll notice small handles around it. These allow you to resize by dragging the corner handles, stretch to adjust proportions, or reposition the shape by clicking and dragging. Before we look at combining shapes, let's quickly duplicate a few. Just right-click the shape, select Duplicate from the pop-up menu, and you're ready to go. To merge or combine multiple shapes, drag them into the position you want, select all the shapes you want to combine, and then use the Weld or Boolean tools options in the toolbar for automatic merging. Alternatively, you can manually remove unwanted lines using the Cut tool for a more customized design. If you want to mirror or flip a shape, you can do that easily using the buttons in the top menu. And that's the basics of creating and editing shapes in Lightburn. With a bit of practice, you'll be crafting professional designs in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to learn next.